Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane Luthi. This week, I'm going to be taking this chunk of scrap and making some soap holders for our bathrooms. Let's check it out. So in the middle of planing these down, I noticed there was a large crack in just one of the sides pieces, so I'm not going to be able to get 3 out of these. I'm just going to be able to get 2, so I guess it's just me and my wife's bathroom and the downstairs bathroom. Sorry, boys. Oh, hey, you hear my kids in the background. I'm here being a single dad doing the dishes and with these soap holders you guys just watched me build. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that bell and you'll get a notification every time I take another item and flip it into something awesome. So, you guys go out and have a great day. It's the last video of the year. Go try and make something awesome.
You're not a single dad.
Hey, they don't need to know that.
Mom's gonna kill you when she sees this.
Turn that off.